Hey guys, it's Friday, January 6th. Happy New Year. Being the new year, we're supposed to talk about resolutions. Yes. So I was like, when I heard that, I was like, the first thing I want to do is just make better videos. And then, right after that, some people were like, oh, do you want to come see a movie with us on Friday? I was like, oh, yeah, that'll be fine. And then they're like, okay, okay, information. I'm doing like this one act thing at my school. I don't know if I told you guys this, but so we had rehearsal today after school, and then they were like, "Oh, just right after rehearsal we'll go to dinner and then we can see a movie." I was like, "Oh, that sounds super." And then all of a sudden, the movie's at like my friends were late, so the movie's at 8:30, and I was like, "Okay, it'll take 2 hours, so I'll be recording this video at like 11." So that really did not end the same. Um, but anyway, I was like, I'm gonna make better videos, and then now it's 11 o'clock and I'm recording this. So, nowhere but up. That's a thumbs up. I like to hold my sleeves like that. Anyway, another thing that I want to do is, what do I want to do? I want to read more. I've always liked to read, but I've never read as much as I thought I should. Like, it's not going to be like, read 200 pages a week or something. That's what we have to do for English. So that's why I said that. But I'm not going to set like specific goals, just read more. Because I like to read. Reading is a lot better than our generation makes it seem. And I just want to read more. Speaking of which, 4 days until The Fault in Our Stars. Whoa, it looks like my pinky is different than it is. That's weird. I'm sorry. I am not in it, as it were. Read more. I wanna, like, exercise more. Like, Brenna said. Not, like, a specific amount more. Not, like, run for an hour a day. But, like, just more. It's healthy, you know. You know. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm sorry. It's late. And it's Friday, and we had school this week. If you didn't figure that out. And Friday's school week. Late. No. Sometimes I have very well constructed sentences. The words are all there, but then the letters and the words come out in an order that the sense make not. It's not even like good Yoda talking. I'm sorry that it's like 4 minutes long and I've talked about 3 things. I believe. Oh my god, I don't remember your name. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, that's so mean. Why can't I remember your name? Bad. Oh my god, I'm gonna run out of time. I'm sorry, Tuesday. I'm so sorry. I can't remember your name right now. I'm so bad with names, by the way. I did this to Janine like 2 months ago. Anyway, okay. I think she's at 3 strikes, so I don't know though. We need to talk down here. And also, my opinion is we should look for a Wednesday on your pants. You might have replied to my comment. I don't know yet. Because panic. Okay, that's all. Janine, I'll see you on Monday. By the way, spoiler alert. I saw The Devil Inside and the ending was awful. I mean, just poor. Bye.